Kev, chat me with blood clot Tikki.
This right here?
Yeah, go around there, subtle. Him chat me with Tikki. Yeah, I tell you why I say chat. You're a business person. I'm going to come to you about business, and you tell me say you cannot do it, I'm going to go about my ways. I never pressure it, I never say do this and do that. I'm going to find another solution, I'm going to find another blood clot way to make my man feel nice. I'm going to talk to you on a business level, doing business, and you could have go back and tell blood clot Tikki. Me never beg you to do it for me. I pay me, I got pay you my money. Me not run joke with my man. Ask anybody that. You see that boy there? Me not run blood clot joke with him. You know, so I go to the boy when my boyfriend birthday, I come home. Cause I see him post I see him do on cake and him post it on him something. You understand? And I say instead of I go buy one cake from somebody else, let me support my friend. Bro, you're somebody when I take my man car weekly and drive come all the way to Queens, come support you, bro. You get what I say? And when I come in your shop and I support you, all if it is a bottle of water and I say $1, I pay you. I say make sure say you collect for this. I pay you every dollar because that is how I am. Me I support you, me I support you. You understand? Me not come say to me and your friend and you build a shop, you make cake, you forgive me a slice of cake for free because me drive come from far. Me not do them this something them. I come support you. I'm bring all my friend them come support you, my youth. So me not expect for you go chat me with blood clot Tikki. Me not expect that for you go chat me with Tikki because that is chattings. That is a normal blood clot something. Because me call you up on the phone and I say to you, say, alright, so we are going, go on up, look a bit, see party store, go on up and find parking. Me come to you and I say to you, say, my boyfriend birthday I come up. I see a bill of cake. I see you make a cake. I wonder if you can make one cake like that for me. Because I see make the black cake with the sprinkle. Well, I see make the black cake with the whole heap of sprinkles them pan it. And then put in the energy back of them in it and the something them. I never say it to my boyfriend. I never say it to him. That to show you how I just have the conversation on the phone with you. And I think say the conversation I got dead there so with me and you. I know me never say it to my boyfriend. Up to today day me not say it to my boyfriend and me I say it on live. I know me not say it to him. I'm gonna ask him to make the cake for me. Right? And you turn to me and you say, me don't in the shop no more, you know. Me don't in the shop anymore. Big one, you told like, hey girl, come eat out my body pussy, I want shit in your mouth. I'm painting, I'm in a run joke with that. Big pussy woman. Me tell you that. So anyways now, Tikki a mix up. So anyways now, you know what happened now, chat? Well, I'm soon go buy the party. Wait, now you're there for rush?
The engine light on. The engine light on. I'm in a one.
I'll change to do this, you know.
I need to do an oil change. The oil change thing keep blinking. Go on, go buy the
alright, wait, now I'm going to bring it up there so you pay wear one tight suit because she did have on her ear. Me I say maybe you could have wear one tight suit, right? Yeah, I don't want. You were thinking, Tikki, I'm gonna say I don't want anything from you. I'm not drinking the. I am not drinking the sorrow of bloody water. Okay. So I make him a looking at so like him a look a boyfriend. So chat, hear what happened now. I turn to my friend and I say, you don't know how to sell. Me said to the girl, say you don't have anything I sell. You don't have a tight suit I sell, a nice tight suit I sell. And she say, you know, say I have one Adidas sweatsuit, one nice Adidas sweatsuit, like woman sweatsuit, one nice Adidas one. And I say, how much it? And she say, big one, you're my friend. And you saw your daughter, I'm not selling, I'm going to give you for your daughter. And when the woman said she going to give me for my daughter, I turn to Tikki and I say, I got the movie, I come. She was like, she not enough. I said, my friend, I give you one Adidas sweatsuit, we have to go feet up there. She was like, big one, me not going away, I want to go home. I want to go over to the boy. And I said, Tikki, everything you're talking about is this boy. And when I talk to the boy tell me point blank, say him and Tikki is not together. I have the message them for sure. I have everything. I can go screenshot it and I can blood clot show it. The boy say, me and Tikki is not together. Me and Tikki only doing this for the internet. But Tikki I got too far with it, right? Anyways, short 10 story now on. Tikki says she not